In the following video, you'll find out how to properly maintain and store your MESI mTABLET SPO2. Battery. Please ensure the battery is charged regularly. One battery charge is enough for approximately 8,000 consecutive recordings or 56 hours of continuous use. To charge the battery, place the MESI SPO2 unit on the charging station. During the charging process, the light on the unit will be flashing yellow. Only when completely charged will it start flashing green. While in storage, the battery needs to be recharged every 3 months to avoid accidentally over-discharging. The device should also be inspected by a qualified service engineer at least every 12 months. Cleaning instructions. Before cleaning, detach the finger clip sensor from the unit. It is recommended to clean the MESI SPO2 unit regularly with a soft, damp cloth. The sensor must be carefully disinfected after every use. If not, it can affect the performance of the device. We recommend using quick-dry disinfectants, preferably in wipe form. Do not use aggressive cleaning agents or excessive force when cleaning the device. Troubleshooting. No light shows when the multifunctional button on top of the MESI SPO2 unit is pressed. Place the MESI SPO2 unit on the charging station and leave it to charge for at least half an hour before retrying. If the light doesn't start blinking either on the charging station or after charging for half an hour, please contact your local MESI representative for further assistance. The SPO2 application will not start even though the MESI SPO2 unit is paired and next to the MESI mTABLET. Make sure that there aren't any devices nearby which produce electromagnetic interference. These devices can interfere with the basic functions of the MESI SPO2 unit, which can potentially lead to dangerous situations. If the problem persists, please contact your local MESI representative for further assistance.